Hey, Batman here. Trey Pastor told me there's some sort of Joker footage that I should take a look at. So, hey, I'm always on the job, so let me check this out. Okay, let me put the old headphones in and see what this all about. Okay, let's go. Here we go right now.
I should laugh,
Joaquin Phoenix.
but I cry
Okay, what?
because your
What the
love
hell? What?
has passed me
What?
by. You took
What?
me by surprise.
What? What?
I didn't realize
That smile? What?
that you
What?
were laughing.
What? You Trey Pastor, you bastard. You should have told me about that. I wasn't prepared for that. That you bastard. You bastard, Trey Pastor. I wasn't ready for that. I'm gonna get even with you for that. You said there's something else? Okay, hold on. You said there's something else I gotta check out. Hold on. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready this time. So let's start with this. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Right now. Subway, nice and pleasant. What the hell? What the hell's going on? What? You're a psycho that kills for money. What the? What the? What the? What? What? What the? What the hell? Trey Pat, you bastard. I'm gonna get you for that. Okay? I wasn't prepared for that. Okay? You surprised Batman. I'm usually ready for anything. But you surprised me with that. Okay? I'm gonna get even with you for that. Don't worry. His days are numbered. Okay? Don't worry. I'm on the case. Okay? I'm there.